It's been good since the beginning. Like when I said, when he first made the phone call to the sales, to them coming here and explaining to us the demonstration, and even the installation.
Yeah, the guys were awesome. I mean, very professional. They came in the morning, started setting everything up, covering my furniture, and then they start turning those windows. And they did it so fast and so good that I was impressed. I thought it was gonna take 2 days, but they did it 1 day. So I was like, wow, they know what they're doing. Oh, we love it.
We love it. I love it, like from the noise reduction to
peace
the
of mind.
heat.
Peace of mind.
Yes. The security that also comes with it. That, at least for me, you know, sometimes I'm here for myself and my daughter. That to me is the peace of mind that nothing can compare to it. So it's been great. And like I said, coming from the industry that I worked for so many years to now, the technology has changed. The winters are actually improved. So overall experience, I think it's 10.
Oh, they will call me. They will call me and
every step of the way.
Keep me informed
Yes.
as to the process. And then when they were getting ready to install the windows, they also called me, confirmed the appointment. A couple of people called me to confirm the appointment, so everything was great.
Yeah, we were never at dark. Like, you know, every step of the way, they told us, hey, this is gonna happen next. You know, the inspector's coming out next. Every step of the way from A to Z, the communication was great. Definitely recommend them. From A to Z, like I said, you know, they actually made us feel like a part of the family, you know, with them. And they explained everything thoroughly. I mean, I can't complain about the experience overall.